So if you haven't seen yet the link to sign up for Slack, I'm gonna go over it with you. So if you go to Classroom here, you'll see sign into Slack there, right? And if you click on a link, it's going to take you here. Oops, I'll drag this in here. And it'll ask you to enter your email, right? You're going to use your personal email address for this. Now, Slack from now on, that's going to be the primary source of communication between us for the period of, for as long as we're in this class. And the reason why I do that is because if you look at my interface here, I can break it down by period. So I have period 1, 3, 4. I also have a 6. I haven't set them up yet. But then, so most of this is going to be for, hey, Mr. Robinette, I resubmitted ABC, or I didn't get credit for this, or something like that. If it's anything related to grades or anything personal, send me a direct message. If you want or need help on anything, I would send that message under this. The reason why, and I think I set this up in period 3, is it's public. So that if you ask a question, someone else other than me might answer it for you. Also, if I answer a question or a question gets answered effectively, someone else can look this up. Like you can go on here and probably your question will be already answered by the time you get to it. Does that make sense? So